equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS17B revision Palca. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The MSI MS17B often suffers from overheating issues, which can be caused by dust accumulation in the cooling system or a failing fan. If left unaddressed, this can lead to hardware failure and permanent damage to your laptop. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. Begin by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Carefully remove the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver, taking care not to strip the screws. Once the panel is off, locate the cooling fan, which is typically situated near the heat sink. Disconnect the fan's power cable gently to avoid damaging it. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust from the fan and heat sink area. If the fan is not functioning properly, you may need to replace it. To do this, unscrew the fan from its mount and carefully lift it out. Apply new thermal paste to the CPU before installing the new fan, ensuring even coverage. Reattach the fan, reconnect the power cable, and replace the back panel, securing it with the screws. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent overheating in the future, regularly clean the vents and ensure your laptop is used on a hard, flat surface to allow for proper airflow. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.